So this company, Allpowers, sent me a new power bank. I guess they saw the Ironman one and, you know, got offended because it wasn't theirs. So they sent me this thing to test out, and I gave it the ringer in Colorado.
To do is start a fire,
move the coals over,
and cook them down. Yeah.
Matt, what do you think? Is it gonna hold up?
No. No. It's not.
I don't know. I mean, it's, you know. Yeah. Hey. It actually worked. I mean, it stayed on. Yeah.
You know LJ?
Let's see if this still works.
LJ
yeah,
was
hell yeah.
Yeah, right. And he had to run
46%, baby.
What's it been running?
To keep the truck cool.
Like, I mean, that's a good one. That's a good, yeah, right.
Yeah.
What's the, it hadn't been running anything.
Hey man, we caught.
I just did the review on that, and I sold it. You know, if you wouldn't break these fucking things, you could sell them and make decent money.
Damn it, man. And I also used it to charge my camera, laptop, all sorts of accessories. It lasted for about a day. If the AC power was on, you can hear that loud fan. It also comes on pretty frequently when it's got significant output wattage, which was a little bit annoying driving around in beautiful Colorado. I didn't really want to hear that thing, but it is what it is, and it charged all my stuff, so I can't really complain. One thing I like about these is that you don't have to hold the buttons down. You just press it once and it turns them on. And everything is also on the same side, which is great. I kind of like that better. Two 12-volt out ports and a like car charger outlet. There's a menu light button, actually. That's kind of neat. And this one's got Bluetooth and a bunch of other crap. I have not connected to the app or anything like that, mainly because I don't like downloading third-party apps. But yeah, I mean, it works great, especially after all that I've put it through. It's also got wireless charging on the top, which I thought was really, well, it's certainly unique, but it's not very practical because you can't use your phone while it's charging or whatever it is that you've got charging right there. But I would much rather just use a USB cable. On the sides, it has 120 volt in and solar in, which you could just hook up to a 12 to 24 volt source, or maybe even 48 volt source. And then this is just a big circuit breaker right there. So it's a lot more straightforward. It's a 600 watt instead of the Ironman 500 watt, but honestly, this one seems to lose power faster. I don't know how they're how it's all set up inside internally, but I do like it. I can't really give you a long-term review because the company wants me to get this video out pronto, so I can't really speak to its long-term reliability, but I can tell you that for what I paid for it, it works great. But yeah, I kind of enjoy this thing. It's kind of neat. If I had to say between the two of them, I would probably go for the Allpowers, actually. I kind of like the features that it has, and you know, just the ergonomics. I prefer the buttons over the Ironman. It's a little bit clunkier to use. This one also has the ability to, like, I could control it from the front of the truck if this thing was powered on and I connected to it with the app, which would be, I could see that being pretty helpful. So those are my initial thoughts with it. I asked them to send me a solar panel, but they didn't they want me to release the video, but they're trying to send me. I don't know what they're doing, but I don't really. I'd love to get a solar panel and try to charge it and see how long it takes, but obviously I don't have it yet. So this is all I've got for you right now. It is pretty much patch proof, I'd say. I tried to break it as hard as I could, and it didn't work. So got the thumbs up for me.